I'm okay. Thank you. All of y'all. Thank you, man. I wasn't gonna talk all that shit and not stand on morals and principles. That's what it's all about. And I never was on the internet trying to make it seem like I was the toughest guy in the world and I could beat everybody's ass. I just was stating the facts. And I just want to let y'all know I love y'all, man. I just been falling back, just giving it a break. But I'm going to get back to work because that's what I do best. And I just want to let y'all know I appreciate y'all DMing me. I can't even really balance out the love because so many of y'all fuck with me so much, yo. So I feel bad. A lot of y'all got unread messages and shit like that. But don't take it the wrong way. But I'm okay. You feel me? I'm the bull patch right now. You feel me? But yeah. Niggas talking about be careful. You too worried. You don't believe in me. Fuck is you keep telling me be careful for like something gonna happen. Shit already went down. Shut the fuck up.
Yo, this nigga making himself crazier than what he already is, and it's really about to get spiteful because this nigga talking crazy and lying to y'all. First of all, I moved in that building 2018, 2019. My cousin was nowhere to be found in my life. So when he hopped back in my life, he didn't have nowhere to go. He didn't have no job. He wasn't doing shit. He was fucking up out here, getting beat up, starting arguments. So I let him move in with me. He was living rent-free for 4 years. He lived with me for 4 years, rent-free. And I was letting him rock. Then this nigga ended up living in the basement, trying to still be in the building. The fucking landlord had to call the cops every other day because he wasn't renting a room and he was squatting in the building, trying to sleep in the lobby in the basement.
Not squatting.
And he was calling the cops on Gunna. And the cops coming to my door and Gunna telling them he was me, and I had to tell the cops that he was me so he could stay in the building. You forgot about that? Huh? Honestly, as family members, or even being a man, I'm allowed to address a man and tell him I want to fade.
That's facts.
And after my fade, that's all I wanted. Because you're not going to think you get away talking shit on the internet, and I'm not going to beat you the fuck up. So, I feel like this nigga getting the box cutter on me after the fade was over, you broke the rules.
Kind of did break the rules.
And then you came charging at me with it before you grabbed the phone and before you started recording, because you knew what you was trying to do after you lost. You was trying to make yourself seem like you won, and you didn't win. It wasn't a fight, bro. That shit is sad.